going on, guys? I'm Jimmy and this is Jimmy Explores. Today I'm going to be going through my ultimate desk setup that I've just built, so let's get into it. So if you work from home or you're looking to make a more productive office space, then you are in the right place. If you have a budget of less than $1,000, then this is the video for you. I just want to remind you, if you enjoy this video, to give it a like, and if you feel extra kind, give me a subscribe because it really helps me. So today I'm going to go over what equipment I've used for a maximum effect and the least amount of cash. The most important thing in any desk setup is obviously the desk, and I've selected the Matrix Executive Sit Stand Electric Desk in walnut. It measures 1500 millimeters wide and it is 700 millimeters deep. In its standing configuration, it will reach 118 centimeters tall and it goes as low as 710 millimeters for sitting. It doesn't have the best reviews, but all the reviews are based on people's inability to assemble the desk, but I had no issues at all assembling. As long as you follow the instructions, everything is okay. And it retails at Officeworks for $489. My current working arrangement, I needed to be able to switch between my work computer, where I work from home, and also my personal laptop, which is my MacBook Pro. I needed something that was able to do this, that had the flexibility, and I selected the HP G5 dock, and I was able to pick that up on HP Store for $200. The USB-C allows me to connect from the HP laptop to my MacBook very easily, and it's very flexible. It comes with 2 display ports, 1 HDMI female USB-C, and I find it 4 USB-A slots and an extra extremely handy to have. I'm currently in the process of creating a mount on Fusion 360 for it, where I'm going to mount it under the desk, and that should give me some more flexibility with my cable management as well. And just to tidy off the desktop, I will be sure to update with another video when that comes through. Next, it was time to mount the monitors, and you need to make sure that you have the right hardware for the job. I've selected the Prism Plus Arc Stealth dual monitor stand, and that I was able to pick that up for around $150 with a deal at the time. Make sure that you follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to mount the monitors securely, and you really need to consider getting a mount that allows for the right height and angle adjustments for you sitting at the desk, as it'll make it easier to find a better, more comfortable viewing angle. Make sure that the monitors are level and spaced evenly on the desk, and you can see what I have done here and how they are mounted. As I mentioned earlier, I was able to pick up the monitors free on Facebook Marketplace, and I would suggest looking for everything else that I've listed here on Facebook Marketplace before you go shopping anywhere else. Now that the monitors are mounted and the dock is set up, it was time to set up the rest of the equipment, which is quite simple. I'm using the Logitech MK850 keyboard mouse combo, and you can pick that up on Amazon for $140. That brings us to a total of 979 Australian dollars for this setup, which I think is incredibly good considering the flexibility that you're able to get working between 2 different computers and working standing and sitting. I would highly recommend all this gear, and I will link it all in the description down below. And then it's finally time to add some personal touches. I'm going to be adding a desk mat, maybe a plant, and maybe some more lighting for the desk, behind the desk, in front of the monitors. So if you have made it this far, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I am enjoying using this setup. Make sure to subscribe as I delve further into videos about why I've started this channel, what my plans are for it, and updates that I'm doing to my desk with my new 3D printer that is going to arrive any day now. So until then, take care.